Why was this study conducted? The study was conducted because the authors wanted to enhance their understanding of how first-generation students experience competitive classroom environments. Furthermore, researchers can be better address classroom cues by understanding the source of competitive classroom cultures. The authors also hope that their work will help practice and policy recommendations for faculty students, transforming competitive STEM classroom environments into collaborative spaces where all students, especially FE students, can succeed. How many people participated in the study and where were they from? At the beginning, the study was composed of 948 freshmen and sophomores that were enrolled in one of the 48 introductory STEM courses at a large public Midwestern university. Later, 130 participants were excluded from the analysis by list-wise deletion. This means that if values were missing from a case record, this will be excluded to not affect the statistical analysis. The final sample included 818 students. According to the paper, 12% of the students were FD, 65.6% were female, 72.2% were white, 8.9% Asian and Asian American, 4.3% Black, 4% Hispanic, and 10.6% other and biracial. What were the procedures and how was data collected? The authors indicated that they utilized experience sampling methodology to assess students' daily in-class feelings of being an imposter in class. This method allows students to report their experiences as they are happening in real time, which provides more accurate assessments of what students are thinking, feeling, and doing at the moment compared to retrospective reports that suffer from common biases in retrieval. At the beginning of the semester and after a drop deadline, students completed a survey in which they reported their perceptions of classroom competition in their STEM class and their demographics. Students received a link to the survey by email and completed the survey a few weeks into the semester so that they had some experience with the course to gauge the classroom dynamics. The authors utilized the following measure for the analysis: perceptions of the classroom competitions, demographics, imposter feelings, engagement, attendance, dropout intentions, and grades. What did the authors find? The authors found that students who perceive their STEM class to be highly competitive experience greater daily feelings of being an imposter in that class compared to students who perceive less classroom competition. However, consistent with the cultural mismatch hypothesis, the author found a significant interaction between perceived classroom competition and FE status in courses perceived to have high levels of classroom competition. FE students experience more daily feelings of being an imposter in class compared to CG students. Nevertheless, in courses perceived to have less classroom competition, imposter feelings did not differ between FE and CG students. What implications can you see in this study for yourself or for society? I consider that a large group of FE students are potential professionals like scientists, engineers, and mathematicians, and they represent a large pool of people in my country. They need to be provided with the most equitable learning environment in order to maximize the number of FE students that are retained in the STEM fields.